Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm wanting to get out here our April giveaway. So April 15th will be the drawing of the April giveaway. That's giving us roughly 30 days to get in there. Now, here's the rules. Listen closely, please. Comment on this video and subscribe. Comment only one time. If you comment more than one time, because I'm using a random comment picker, it will disqualify you. So make sure you don't reply. Whatever you want to ask me a different question about this or something else, feel free to ask it in some other video. It will get to me and I will answer every question I get. So subscribe. I recommend you click the bell so that you'll know when I announce it on the 15th of April. And comment one time. It can be anything. It can be Pepe, you suck. It can be thanks for the brushless. It can be anything you want to say. But that's what we're going to do. It is going to be a DIY kit of the F36S style aircraft. It is, it's rather fundamentally small, and it's not the biggest racer in the world, but for you it could be free, which is all that really matters in the world. So that's what we're going to be giving away this month. Going to keep this short and sweet. This particular one is a FR Sky version. Now, if you're willing to wait and you do win and you have Fly Sky, I will order it and have it direct shipped to you. And this model is actually a lot cheaper than I bought it for, of course, after the fact now. And I will put a link if you look in the introduction below. You can find a link to this micro or shop around if you want to get a different micro. But this one, as a Whoop class, is going to work just fine for you buzzing around the house, which is what most of us are doing with them anyway. So, once again, comment once, subscribe, hit that bell if you like. Don't forget to like, tweet, I don't care, put it on other people's channels, whatever you need to do to fatten up this channel, because I do have big plans for things down the road if we can get some people going here, of things like even giving away things like a Mavic Pro. So we just need to get to a place where it's sensible enough for me to spend that kind of money by somehow getting some of it back. So thanks a lot. Happy flying.